Welcome to Secret Off-Market Properties. I'm going to give you step-by-step how to do it. 1, how to set your goals and how to get organized. 2, how to go step-by-step how to set up your business. No, what do you mean set up a business? This is a business, and that's where so many people go wrong because they don't have it set up correctly. I don't want you to be hurt. I have every nuance of what you need to do step-by-step for you. It's like 7, 8 videos on how to do it. It's not just do this. It's step by step by step, just for you. And then I talk with you about how to secure them. I talk with you how to find the money. Show me the money. I'm going to talk to you about everything from beginning to end, step by step. And then, at the very end of that, I will show you how to get paid up front in that section by wholesaling. And then, I'm going to give you 7 separate exit strategies. Why would I have those? It's simple. As Dr. Covey said, begin with the end in mind. So when I share with you the wonderful opportunity of these trillions of dollars of off-market properties, you're going to then be able to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the strategy you want to have for that particular house. I'm going to go through the details of all of those strategies comprehensively, step by step. And then after we've done all that, I'm going to share with you where these off-market properties are, not just conceptually. I'm going to show you exactly how to find them in your jurisdiction. Yes, literally in your area. I'll give you that tool, the resources to do that, and I'm going to teach you how to do a marketing campaign, which will be very successful because I've used it, my children have used it, and my mentees have used it successfully in multiple states, like 40. So I know it works. It works right now. It's not probate. It's not FSBOs, and it's not MLS. Yes, it's all not that. So it's really different. And it's why it's so important for you to have all these tools to do it. And you want to be able to market to them. So when they respond to those marketing campaign letters, and they will, I give you a script. I want you to practice that script. That's going to be life success work for you. Practice it with a partner. So when they call, you can evoke from them their needs. Find about the property from them. Find out what their ideal solution is. And then you can zoom in and help them in a win-win deal. I only do win-win deals, and I want you to do them too. Serve these people because there's literally trillions of dollars of off-market properties out there that nobody ever talks about because they don't know where they are or they don't know how to get them, but I do. And for you, and for only a limited number of people, I'm going to give this to you. And when I'm through giving it out the course for the number of people I give it to, I'm shutting it down because I don't want you to have competition. That's what this is all about. How to find them, how to secure them, and how you can profit from these properties. Take care.